Hello, this is Cameron with United Credit showing our trade line posting for today. We like to do these videos at least 2 or 3 times a month, showing proof that our trade lines are posting on a regular basis. We currently have over 400 trade lines posting on a daily basis, ranging from 6 months to 30 years. So we have a lot there going on. Call for free consultation or get on our list at tradelines.biz. Let me show you what line this person got here. They got a Discover card that was 17,000 limit, 4 years old, authorized user. Again, gave a great score there, 716. So that's it. If you want more information, call us. Again, we do free consulting. We do trade lines for CBNs and personal Social Security number profiles. We do credit repair. We do CBN apartment packages. We have, again, up to 30-year trade lines. We now have an $80,000 Amex. We have all that you need to boost your score, to fix your credit, or give you what you need to get qualified for any kind of credit you may need, car, loans, mortgages. Call for details, again, 202-213-2218. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Get on our trade line list at tradelines.biz. Have a great day.